Hey everyone! In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Leonardo AI Image to Image. Start by logging in to leonardo.ai to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the left side dashboard and click on Image Generation. Next, click on the image icon to upload the image you want to work with. Explore the various editing options available on the left side dashboard. These include advanced settings and preset styles to customize your image. Adjust settings like contrast and the number of images generated to fine-tune your results. In the prompt box, describe what you want to create, like a white rabbit, and watch as Leonardo AI generates related images. These steps will help you effectively use Leonardo AI's image-to-image feature to create and customize images based on your preferences. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.